Welcome to Daybreak. Fog set in, 3 inches of rain. As you can see the specks here, this all is sweet potatoes that have just been harvested on my friend's property. Washed down. It's a good thing. The only challenge is, now this is the honor point I brought for today, because this is the kind of stuff that you can find out here. Just take a look at this point. So I brought it just to stir up my appreciations and stir up my energies, to keep my eyes focused. And I found quite a handful, and there's another piece right on the ground that I'm going to show you. But when you find pieces like that, which is just a stellar point, I think it's a woodland point. I'd really like to know the dispensation, whether it's late archaic or woodland. I do not know. Maybe somebody could just say, yeah, I know what it is, and give me a shout out for it. I found some great pieces, but you got to keep your eyes open. The piece I found is in the wide open here at Tomorrow Mountain. You can see it from here. And I figured I would try to go ahead and get some of this stuff on film. Of course, they can't get all the sweet potatoes, just like artifacts. But look at this, look what the rain does. Sugar quartz triangle, and it's not a tip. The back is reduced right off, look at that. Well, it is a tip. I mean, it's not just a broken off tip. It's serrated, it's just missing its own tip there. Great little piece of sugar quartz. And then, moving into the rhyolites. You can see the fresh break on this. It's all right. That's just the way it rolls. Everybody knows that. Some brownish type of rhyolite. And I was thinking last night, just looking at the top part of my box, we got a nice Guilford here, nice couple field points. And when it comes to rhyolites, like those, another little point here, one of the most valuable, and look at this quartz point, commodities of trade, at least in this region, had to be rhyolite, because it's not an indigenous stone, but there's a ton of artifacts. Now, quartz is indigenous. There's a ton, and look at these two pieces right here. This is rhyolite, of artifacts made out of this material. So that had to be like, I mean, it had to be traded in such a huge quantity over so many years. Classic Morrow Mountain, great artifact. Just worth getting on there. And I hope everybody's doing okay. The Hope giveaway is closed. Those smoking awesome little points have been already dropped in the mail, and they're off. And I just wanted to give encouragement, and that's a great little point right there. Nothing wrong with that at all. Giving encouragement out there, if there ever is a giveaway, and I'm sure I'll do another giveaway here or there somewhere. You guys know how it works. Then just be on the ball to, if you want some great artifacts or whatever, you want to go ahead and enter the giveaway, go ahead and do it. Do it quick, because I usually am only going to keep the giveaway open for 48 hours to 72 hours at the most, and then move forward, because, you know, that's just the way it is with collecting. So I wanted to show you those artifacts, just a great find out here. Great handful of finds, and I'm going to keep moving. I got a little bit longer. And it's nice out here, isolated with the fog. Right down there, behind those foggy trees, is the easement of water. So from Indian Trace to all you guys out there, and girls, hope you find out there.